Hey everyone! In this video, you will learn more about managing documents in the Eclipse Dirigible Web IDE. For the purpose of this video, we will deploy Eclipse Dirigible on SAP Cloud Platform. First, create a new document repository. Then create a new destination and specify the appropriate security configurations. Fill in the user field with the name of the document repository. The password is the repository key. Now it's time to deploy Dirigible as a Java application. In this case, I have a quota for a compute unit of size premium. Use the following JVM arguments to set the UI theme, set the homepage URL, tell the app to use the destination for authentication, and refer to that destination. When the app is deployed, don't start it yet. First, create any database bindings if needed. Also, don't forget to assign your user the necessary roles. Now is the time to start the app. The Document Explorer should load automatically. Let's upload a couple of sample files. Nice! If you're curious how much data is stored in the document repository, you can check that in the cockpit. That's the end of this tutorial. See you next time!